President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. addresses concerns over hunger and access to healthcare. Marcos highlighted the government's Walang Gutom program as part of efforts to help Filipino families deal with food insecurity. Let's have more details from IBC correspondent Jinky Banticados.
Hunger and illness should never stand in the way of the Filipino child's future. That was the message of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. as he personally responded to letters from young Filipinos raising concerns about their health and welfare. In PBBM Vlog 2A3, the President said that while not all of their concerns were discussed in a State of the Nation address or SONA, that does not mean they are any less important.
Napaka-importante nito.
One of the letters shared in the experience of a young person dealing with hunger while her father undergoes dialysis.
Totoo yan at hindi magiging maganda ang kalagayan ng ating bansa kung ang ating mga kababayan ay ginugutom.
In response, the President highlighted the Walang Gutom program, which provides support to local governments in distributing 10 kilograms bags of rice to families in need 6 times a year. The government is also continuing its school feeding program for kindergarten and grade 1 pupils, along with food assistance for older students. On health care, President Marcos said PhilHealth support has also been expanded for dialysis and other serious medical conditions, significantly reducing the cost of treatment for dialysis patients. Other government measures include zero balance billing for ward patients in Department of Health hospitals and the removal of value-added tax on certain medicines. And for the President, illness does not choose between the rich and the poor.
Kahit gaano ka kasikat, kahit gaano ka kayaman, kapag ikaw ay may sakit, hindi magiging maganda ang buhay mo. Kaya't yan ang aming inuuna, kaya't napakataas na priority ang kalusugan ng ating kabataan, ang kalusugan ng ating mamamayan.
From putting food on the table to providing medicine and medical care, President Marcos said the health and welfare of young Filipinos will remain a government priority so that hunger and illness will not stand in the way of their future. Jinky Baticados, IBC News.